Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have cosine 2x, that's about 1 minus 2 sine x squared. And the second one, we have sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cosine x. So we put this one go in here. Sine 2x, that's about this one. So we have negative in here, so we change the sign of this one. So we have about negative number 1 plus 2 sine x squared. 1 minus 1, we cancel. Number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. Sine x with sine x squared, we have sine x to the power of 3. Next, we have sine x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 3. We can put like this. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine of ax over ax equals to number 1. So a in this situation, that's about number 1. So that means when s approaches to number 0, this one will be number 1. So cosine of number 0, you have number 1. So we have the final answer. And that is about number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.